Um, what do you think intelligence thinks? Is it more likely than not that CIA, MI6, perhaps Mossad, you tell me, knew about this and looked the other way, or instigated it and supported it in some way? What do you think, Larry?
I think there was some planning and support to it, because right now what we're seeing, and it's coming, in my view, it's coming from intelligence sources, either both CIA and MI6. They're planting stories and articles out there about ISIS-K people, information about people related to ISIS. That's sort of starting to get out there into social media, because they're trying to shift the narrative that, oh, this was ISIS-K. This was, and yet people forget, ISIS would not exist if the United States had not invaded Iraq back in 2003. And if the United States had not picked up and tortured Iraqis, Muslims that had nothing to do with terrorism up to that point, but after being brutalized by American interrogators, decided to take matters into their own hands and seek revenge. And candidly, Howard that to me or did it to you, we would react the same way. So, but now ISIS is becoming a convenient propaganda tool. And let's remember one thing: we've had a presence in Syria now for 10 years. And that presence is ostensibly there to fight ISIS, except we're not really doing anything to fight ISIS. The Russians are fighting ISIS along with the Syrian government.
Right, Larry,
Our plan has been to overthrow Syria.